turquoise. Turquoise. We'll paint it turquoise. Yeah. Pretty little windows. There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing something a little different. I mean, I think everything I do is different, but anyway. I need a mailbox, and this sort of is the same shape as a VW bus. So I know people have done it before, but I'm gonna do one, and I'm gonna paint it just like my split window. So I got the actual exact colors. It's like turquoise, it's Turkish bus. So it's really light minty blue and really nice turquoise. So I'm gonna paint this just like that, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. It should be fun, and we'll get a cool mailbox out of it. So follow along, watch to the end so you can see how much like my bus it looks. Maybe we'll patina it like my bus. Ooh, that would be cool. Yeah, it'd be neat. We should do that maybe. I gotta figure out wheels though. What am I gonna do for wheels? Any ideas? Comment below for wheels, maybe. I don't know. All right, let's get into it. All right, woo! So I already got the paint mixed up. It's we're gonna do the light color first, and I'm gonna spray over the top, and I'll probably just spray the whole thing with the light color. I don't know if you can see it in there. It's kind of a turquoise kind of color in there. It's really light white. What I've done already is I scuffed this up with a red Scotch-Brite, and then I cleaned it, obviously with paint prep, and then wiped it down with a tack cloth. I'm gonna turn the fan on. It's gonna get a little louder. The first coat's always like a dust coat, just to kind of get it tacky and really adhere, and then you can go on to a little heavier next. Being it's black, it's probably gonna take 3 coats. Anyways, I'm gonna put my mask back on. It's pretty stinky in here right now.
All right, we'll be back to you in a second.
All right, now we're gonna put the second coat on, much heavier than the first. So it should start actually looking like the right color. So let's get into that. Let's do it.
Can't hear me, but looks good. All right, probably put one more coat on that and we'll be good.
All right, so the white is dry, and now I'm just trying to get the pinstriping right. What do you guys think? I know it's not perfect, but it's a mailbox. It doesn't need to be perfect. I'm not the best pinstriper. But we're gonna get it as good as we can get it. Well, turn signal, headlight, windshield. Yeah, I think that's good. Then we get the side. Still a little tacky, but get that taped off. So this will all get, now this will get paper up here and we'll tape it off to there. So we'll go ahead and do that and get back to you, and we'll paint the bottom. Get it all taped off. So we'll paint this bottom part turquoise. Turquoise? Turquoise? We'll paint it turquoise. And then we'll go back over and do the windows in like a light blue or something. And then we'll do the headlights and that sort of thing. And the turn signals. I think that looks fairly good. It's a little cattywampus. Is it kitty or catty? We don't know. I think it's, I say catty. Kev says catty. Musty one says kitty, I think. Anyway, so it's gonna paint this this bottom half turquoise. Here we go. Woo! All right, here we go. Turquoise time.
We'll hit it with another coat after that.
All right, second coat. Woo! All right, this is still a little damp, but I like to remove them when they're wet, because that way it doesn't chip. So we're gonna start taking this off, see what we got underneath here. See how I did on taping this off. It's, I might be going a little early on this, but I really want to see it. Looks like we missed a spot, got a little overspray. That's okay, doesn't need to be perfect. Just a mailbox, right? All right, should have waited a little bit longer, but that's okay. All right, there's the front. That looks pretty good, right? Kind of happy with that. Look at that, huh? I mean, nicest mailbox in town. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, cool. All right. There we go. Looking good. We just gotta put turn signal, headlight, maybe a little bumper, I don't know. And then do the windows down the side, windows up front. Should be good, right? Yeah. All right. Nice line. Perfect. Hey, so I moved over here to the bench where we took Kev's spot. I'm gonna use some blue. These are all Volkswagen colors, by the way. This is Marina Blue. It's on a Beetle. So I'm gonna do a little headlight action. Maybe like, I don't know, right about maybe here. Do one on the other side. It's about even, huh? I like it. And then let that dry a little bit. Most importantly, we got to put the VW symbol on there. We're gonna put the little turn signals in. And put another one on the other side. Those are definitely gonna need a couple coats. I like that. You know what we do need though? We need a bumper. Blue on there. There we go. This stuff dries pretty quick. Do a little bumper action down here. Just down on the bottom. We're gonna hang it over this side. Gotta do the should I do the overriders? We'll just do. All right, we got our bumper that are probably lopsided a little bit. It's all right. Might need that for the back bumper. So now we got the blue. We're gonna do our windshield.
You're doing it with blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just do a square.
Accents.
Yeah, white highlights, accents, I like it. I screwed up.
Oh.
There we go. The side should be interesting. Pretty little windows. It's not perfect, but it's all right, right? I'm okay with it. Now we're gonna do the other side. Hopefully we can match it. All right, now we're gonna do the back window. get the back done. I got these little details in the windows. I'm gonna do these. Here we go. We're gonna do the VW symbol. Wish me luck. There's no going back. Center it here. All right. Try not to get any runs. We got it. Woo! We did it! Yes! We'll let it dry. We got it. I think she's done. I think we're good. We need to figure out wheels, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I just want to get my mail. I guess I'll show it to you once I get it on the mailbox post. Once I get on the post, we'll check it out there and see how it looks. I'll let it dry and I'll put it out there tomorrow. All right, guys, we got the mailbox all installed. We're gonna walk over to it over here, and I'll show you guys it installed. Ooh, little bugger camper. I know, it's pretty cool, right? Let's go over here and check it out. There she is, all done and installed. I had fun with this one. All right, guys, that's it on this one. Thanks so much for watching. That was a fun little project I did on the mailbox. Until next time, take care. Oh, hey, dad joke. Ready? Dad joke. Got one for you. What is a shark's favorite sandwich? Huh? Give me a second. Tuna fish. Ah. Ah. There you go. Take care. Thanks a lot. Bye.